The jury is still at it. They've been at it for a little less than 6 hours now. If convicted of the most serious charge in this case, first-degree murder, Sean Grayson faces anywhere from 45 years to life in prison. So far during these deliberations, the jury has asked a question of the judge to clarify some of the jury instructions, and they've also asked to rewatch that body camera worn video showing Sonya Massey being shot. The day started, though, with closing arguments from both sides giving their final pitch to either defend Sean Grayson and also the state, of course, asking the jury to find him guilty of first-degree murder. Now, both prosecutors and Sean Grayson's defense attorneys told the jury to believe what they see on that body camera video. Grayson's team argued that Sonya Massey was the aggressor and said that her decision to grab that pot of boiling water at the last second left Deputy Grayson with no other options. Grayson testified that he didn't use his taser because he didn't think he would be able to penetrate the layers of clothing that Massey was wearing. Now, prosecutors say that she grabbed the pot not as a weapon, but rather as a shield while staring down the barrel of Grayson's gun. State prosecutors painted a picture of Grayson as a man trying to control the entire situation, but was unable to control himself and his own emotions the night that he killed Massey. The Sangamon County State's attorney instructed the jury that Grayson threatened to shoot Massey in the face, and he did, and therefore must find him guilty of the most serious charge, first-degree murder.
Facts are there, it's on video. So there's no dispute as to the facts. It's whether or not what was going through the defendant's mind, what was his intention at the time that he fired his weapon. And that determines whether or not there's criminal liability or whether there's a not guilty.
Your horn for Sonya Massey.
And outside the courthouse during deliberations, some of Massey's family members could be seen hugging demonstrators who've been vocal and visible throughout this entire trial. Now, that body camera worn video was also shown during closing arguments. Several of Sonya Massey's family members were visibly emotional, understandably. Some of them left the courtroom while that played. Again, this case is now in the hands of the jury. They are still deliberating. We'll bring you any updates if they do come to a verdict tonight or in the coming hours. We are live in Peoria. Charlie DeMar, CBS News, Chicago.